Hey DIY family, I am Carla from Made by SNK, and today I will be host HTVrontu channel, and I will show you the phone cases that I made earlier today. Super vibrant colors, crispy details, and a perfect fit. If you love DIY phone cases, this machine makes it so easy.
Here's what we're working with today. The HTVrontu H17 heat press machine. Compact, fast heating, and super relief. And these plain phone cases, they are ready for a fresh new design. Now, let's start designing. I am using the Locklick app on my computer to add my favorite image. Just pick your phone model, resize it, and don't forget to mirror the design before printing so it transfers the right way. Let's print. I am using sublimation film paper and my sublimation printer for bright colors. Make sure the matte size of the film is facing up. This helps the ink stick better for a perfect transfer. For these cases, I will set the machine to 265 degrees for 305 seconds. This gives enough time for the ink to fully bond with the case without overheating. Now, carefully align the printer film on the case. Close the press and hit start. Once it's done, I will use heat-resistant gloves to open the machine and peel off the film, slowly to avoid messing up the design. And here is it. The colors came out super bright and it fits just right. What do you think? Honestly, I love how consistent this machine is. No guesswork, just great results every time. Making custom cases is so satisfying, especially when you see your design come to life. Let me know in the comments what designs you will try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel.